Wow, what a beautiful bike it is.
All thanks to science and technology for these precise designs.
But how they will make such precise shapes like this?
All solutions to your designing and manufacturing you'll get under one roof. Come, I'll take you there.
Please.
Welcome to Cimatron office.
We recently got to know that Amol Mane has been appointed as director, so we
Yeah.
are looking forward to meet him.
Yes, he's in the office.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, sir.
Hello, nice to meet you.
A very heartiest congratulations to you, sir, for your new position. As company provides solutions to designing and manufacturing under one roof, so how this series align all together?
At Cimatron, we offer an intuitive end-to-end process workflow, starting from quoting, designing, up to manufacturing. We offer products like Cimatron Mold for mold design, Cimatron Die for press tool design, Cimatron Electrode for electrode design, Cimatron NC programming for 2.5 to 5 axis CNC programming. So with Cimatron, we can help our customers to deal with designing and manufacturing of molds and dies and electrodes of any complex shape and size. We help our customers to shorten the delivery time up to 70%.
So, sir, is there any AI involved in this context?
In today's modern era, we can't stay away from AI, right? So we have also made use of Microsoft Azure Open AI, and we have developed an application called Cimatron Copilot, which sits on top of the product documentation what we have. So whenever the user has a query, so he can simply raise that query, and this AI chatbot will go through the entire product documentation and we'll try to answer the query through a readable format document. If you wish to know more about our solutions, please visit us at IMTEX 2025 exhibition in hall number 7, booth number A134. So see you there.